And now if I would ask you, I bet you 90% of you, okay, would rather face man-to-man defenses than zone defense. How many of you would rather face zone defense? Nobody. Everyone plays. You know why? I'm going to tell you why. Because when you play against zones, alright, you can blame your kid for running your offense. When you play man-to-man, alright, the idea is I set you up with this man-to-man defense, this great cut. Alright, now it's your fault. Alright, now it's your fault. But it's my fault if it's a man-to-man. It's your fault as a result. So that's why we came up with, let's develop a concept whereby we will show something and do something else. Okay, we're going to give you a look, and then all of a sudden, we're only going to play man-to-man